Dudes do that, saints and sinners. Welcome back to another vlog. So nothing is going how it's supposed to. My life is in shambles, and that's that on that. Well, it's not really in shambles. I'm more so just being dramatic, but let me have my moment. So listen, I was supposed to get my hair done, blow dry, straighten and trim, and as you can see, it's the complete opposite of that. My stylist had an emergency. Now, she's not one of those text you in the morning, hey boo types. She just needed me to come later in the day, but I had my pap smear appointment. Too much information, but now you have it. But anyway, I had that appointment, so I couldn't make it, so I have to push that back to September. Then on top of that, I had a nail appointment. I finally found a solution to where I won't have to wear press-on nails as much. We were going to try it out, but she had an emergency, and so that got pushed back. So I'm just stuck on my own. But the silver lining in all of this, matching my silver nails, is y'all know that I just had a wedding anniversary. And so we're getting ready to take a vacation. And I figured since I'm going to be in Florida, frolicking in the sand and doing a whole bunch of other things, the last thing I'm going to be thinking about is my hair. So we're getting ready to go to the beauty supply. I'm going to go ahead and do some box braids. I wanted to do some crochet, but I'm just shooting to you straight. Last time I put the crochet install in, I was rushing, braided too tight, and I broke my edges, honey. And listen, ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm going to do box braids because it's a little bit more gentle on me. And then we're going to go to the mall because I want to go shopping and find me some cute little outfits to wear on the beach. I got some swimsuits, but I need some other stuff because I don't fit the clothes I had last summer, and I ain't really bought nothing this summer because I've been in the home just wearing robes and being butt naked and all this other stuff. Too much info again, but there you have it. So yeah, I don't have anything to wear to our Florida trip. So we're gonna do my hair, we're gonna go shopping, we're gonna get myself together, and yeah, we just finna kick. Come on, let's go. All right, so I made it to the beauty supply. Let's see what we can see. All right, so the goal is some big old box sprays because number one, they don't take long to install. Number two, they don't take long to take down. So I think I'm gonna go with this because this is the brand that my normal braider uses. All right, so I got my braiding hair. I know I got some rubber bands and some jam at home. So let's see what else we can see. Like this little piece right here. I feel like that should belong to a stripper named Stella. And her. That should belong to a foxy auntie named Charlene. And this piece right here, that should belong to a real eccentric auntie. Let's name her Josephine. And this is giving school lunch lady named Claire. Claire gives the kids that don't have no lunch money real food. She don't get them peanut butter and jelly. And her name should be Carmen. And this should not exist. And neither should she. Okay. Now, I done did enough in these people's store and I don't want them following me around. But before I go, honey, it's August. Why are y'all selling holiday kits? Why? I don't trust nothing in this piece. What up, y'all? Another day, another duly dollop of daisy. So, as you can see, mother got some braids, but as you can also see, they're only on one side. I assure you, it's not because my hair is side swept. So, I'm sure every black woman can relate to this if you braided your own hair. I started late at night. I got sleepy. I threw a scarf on and went to bed. And so, only half of my head is done. But I had to throw on a scarf and get in the car and get to trucking because, honey, I got a nail appointment. I am so excited. So, y'all that have been following me for a while know that I traditionally wear press-on nails, and the reason I do that is because I have an allergy to monomer. I can use acrylic, nail polish, nail glue, everything else, but the monomer, it cracks my skin open really badly. If y'all heard GPS, ignore it. But anyway, I have a really bad allergy to monomer. So one particular night, I was scrolling Instagram like I regularly do, and something popped up on my Explore page, and it was a nail tech, and she was saying that she actually had COVID, and once her body healed, she had some new allergies that she wasn't used to, and one of them was also to monomer. And so when she would do nails, her skin would act up, and she posted a picture, and it looks very much so like my hands when I actually go to the nail shop and get it done. And so she said the solution that she found was the brand Kiara Sky, because they have a HEMA-free monomer, and it's basically a formula that is a lot more tailored to sensitive skin. And so I said, you know what, let me bite the bullet and try it. Now, a lot of nail shops in the area wouldn't take me because they were like, we don't know that monomer, we don't know how it's gonna work. They wouldn't do it. But we have a family friend that we actually met through the business of nails, and she's amazing, and I love her because her standard is cleanliness. So I text her and she was like, girl, we can go ahead and try this out. Long story short, I'm getting my nails done. Now, her salon is a boutique salon that's in her house, and I don't know about y'all, I don't let everybody in my house, including cameras and stuff too, so I might not be able to take that. But either way it goes, we're not going to be nosy anymore. And also, if the background of this car looks different, it's because it is. My husband, bless his heart, honey, he took my car this morning. We ended up swapping because why? He didn't put gas in his car last night, and y'all know the hustle. You be like, I'm going to get gas in the morning on the way to work, and then on that morning, you like, yeah, so that's what happened. If my car looks different, it's because it's not mine. What's up, y'all? So it is the next day. As you can see, my braids are done. And so let me explain, because I know I told y'all I probably wouldn't get no footage in the shop. So I got my nails done yesterday, and that's when I got these bad boys on. We had to go short because my nails were a little weak, and I was watching Raven Elise's vlog where she popped her real nail off. Nope, we're gonna go short. I got that done yesterday, and that was because she actually was a nail tech willing to work with the monomer that I needed. But my pedicure I got done today, and I had to go to my old school shop. So the last vlog where I did a maintenance situation and I showed y'all that the nail shop was actually quite trifling because they was trying to use old stuff on me. I was trying a new shop because y'all know I recently moved, so I was trying to find something closer to where I live. But I was just like, I'm gonna go for what I know. So I drove 30 minutes outside of the way for me and went to my old shop. And I'm like, listen, the reason I love them is not only do they use the plastic liners in the bowl, number 2, you see them clean, and number 3, if you go into the nail shop and they have Clorox, like the actual bottles of Clorox ready and available, that says something. I love their cleanliness, so I was like, I rocks with y'all. If I got to drive 30 minutes, I got to drive 30 minutes. Well, guess who's not going to get a toe fungus, okay? So anyway, I done got my nails and my feet done, so what we're getting ready to do now is go shopping. Y'all know with weight loss surgery, my clothes, they just don't fit. I repeat a lot of the same stuff because I don't go nowhere, so it's time for me to go shopping. So I'm going to go to the mall. I'm gonna try not to spend too much because the clothes don't fit for long, but at the same time, part of me is like, honey, you work hard, you deserve. I deserve. And I do deserve. So speaking of deserve, I deserve a break. How about that? Can we talk? Yes, listen, if y'all notice, I have not been posting as much as I used to. This time last year and 2 years ago, it was not uncommon for me to drop a YouTube video every single day just because I was so hungry to grow my business. Y'all know this is my full-time job now, and I was just like, I'm so hungry to grow my business. But what I found is when I was so busy chasing after success, I lost sight of why I started, and it stopped being fun for me. Like the whole reason with the Samantha thing, that was a trolling situation. I accidentally bought the cap. Y'all started trolling me, and I'm like, bam, I'm trolling you back. Okay, you're not gonna drag me. I'm gonna drag you back. And it became a running joke. But eventually, when it becomes so work focused, it loses the fun. And I was just like, you know what? Before I start resenting YouTube, before I start disliking content creation, before I allow this to start feeling like a chore for me, let's stop chasing the bag and just chase what feels good and natural, and just believe that God is going to supply all my needs. Eat my shot. So yeah, I actually have not posted in over a week, and y'all know that it's not like me, but I just feel like I need a break so I can get back to the fun of YouTube, because it started feeling like when you hear constant complaining about this company ain't paying, you doing too much for, like constantly receiving that in, it becomes exhausting. So I shut down all the outside noises. If you are an influencer friend of mine, y'all know I do not talk about business. I don't care nothing about YouTube when I'm not posting content. Don't call me about who ain't paying. Don't ask me about nothing. We either talking about life or we ain't talking at all. And so it's just like, since I have done that, I feel better about posting. I'm not chasing a dollar. This person is quite stern to me. Why can't you mind your business? Why can't you mind your business? But yeah, since I stopped being so caught up and trying to chase a dollar and trying to get big success and just start doing what feels good to me, I feel a lot better about posting. And I'm just like, when y'all see me, y'all see me. And if I ain't got nothing to say, peace out. You ain't gonna see me, honey. So yeah, with that being said, let me go ahead and get to this mall because it's about to rain. And listen, who's not trying to be caught up in a tsunami is me. What's up, y'all? So the music is loud in the mall, so anyway, I'm getting ready to try on some pieces. I actually have on the first one. I'm gonna show it to you so you can kind of get the vibe of what I'm going for. Right now I'm just focusing on like summer dresses and stuff like that, just because it's hot and humid in Florida, and I mean it's Florida, so let's get me, you know, a little try on haul on. All right, so this is look number 1. I'm gonna put on a strapless bra, but I just liked it because it was like really flowy and summery or whatever. I felt like this was a good look. So, and then I like this little detail in the middle so it ain't just, you know, blah. So this is look number 1. Oh, this is another one where I was just like, it looked cute on a hanger. I like this area, but this bottom, I don't know why, something about this just looked real matronly, so no. All right, so this is the next one. I am not in love with it, and I need my Spanx, but I think once I accessorize it real cute, this will look cute. Like I could go out to dinner with DJ with this, put on some necklace, some bangles, and some earrings. I can make it work, but again, honey, I need my Spanx. Okay, and for the last dress, this is just something I would wear on a lunch date with DJ. Ignore the bra straps, honey, I got to get that covered, but it's just a little simple throw on summer dress.
And it actually looks kind of plain, but once again, once I accessorize it and everything, I can make this pop. And then I got some real cute shoes at home to go with it. So I'm going to get this and this and this. Okay, so other than that, I have some stuff at home that I can mix and match and put it together. But at least I have 3 new pieces. And I got some shoes and some more accessories at home. So let me go ahead and get dressed because low-key, this loud music getting on my nerves. All right, boys and girls, saints and sinners, or however you identify, we have just pulled up to my version of Disney World, and that is... All right, so I came here with 2 things in mind. Number 1, I need some travel size toiletries because I'm not trying to take my good stuff with me. Okay. Secondly, we are having a house guest. For those that don't know, I have a dog. She's so sweet. But anyway, instead of taking her to a kennel, my brother-in-law, DJ's brother, is going to take care of her at our house. And y'all know, ladies, y'all know how it is. You got a house guest. You like your house to be nice, but when you got a house guest, you gotta up the ante. So let's get a couple things for the house. So first things first, I want to get some bath towels. I got a lot of towels, but not a lot of like the big ones you wrap around your body. So I think we're gonna get a few of these boys right here. This is so plush, first of all, but I love this little design right here. So, you know, let's grab this. Next up, I need a shower curtain. The one I bought, low-key, I just got it just to hold me over. It's giving real Dollar Tree. So I want to get something really plush. And I would really love like a really beautiful white one, because like the vibe I want to go for is like, you know, like a luxury hotel, and you know, if you have the white and the green grass and all the other stuff. So so I'm gonna go with this one. You probably can't see it on camera, but instead of being just plain white, it's a little texture to it too, so we like that. But we got one problem. I got the shower curtain, but where's the rings to hang these bad boys up? Like, how you gonna give me a curtain and give me no rings? See, Walmart would never. Actually, I'll take that back. Sorry, Target. I'll never disrespect you again. All right, so I finally made it to the right aisle. So I have a liner to put with the shower curtain. Now let's look at these rings. Why they all silver? Why you ain't got no gold? I mean, I'd rather have Jesus Abasha. No, but seriously, let me show y'all. This all they got, and everything is like chrome and all that other stuff. Why ain't got no rose gold, no regular gold? Like, what is this? No, but all jokes aside, I hate all of these rings. So what I'm going to do is just grab some more of these little raggedy plastic ones to hold me over until I can get to like Bed Bath and Beyond, where I can get me, you know, some classy auntie type stuff, because you know that's what our aunties shop. So let's go get the toiletries. And I know I'm only supposed to go over there for like toiletries, but it's only right if I am only here to look. I mean, but it's only right? Okay, so let's see what all they got. I'm actually not seeing anything new. Like, seriously, nothing new has come out that has like really sparked my interest organically. Like, it's some stuff I could buy just to buy it, but who finna be wasting their money? Oh, this is new. What's this? That's new. But to date, I have not had like an amazing experience with Aunt Jackie's. Maybe that'll change one day, but right now I don't have nothing from them that I'm just like, oh, that's the one. And honestly, ain't nothing over here that I like need. Like, at least it's what I'm telling myself, so I don't spend no extra money. Actually, let me get out this people's store. But before I go, I have one question. Why is this the only product from Allocate Naturals in this store? Why? This, y'all, that's why it's important to buy black, because if we don't buy black from these big box stores, they kick them off the shelf. Like, they ain't gonna hold up no shelf space just for, you know, no rah-rah purposes. So y'all, if you gonna buy something, yeah, it's cool to buy from the website, but y'all, please go to the store and buy something so, you know, it can help them stay on the shelf space. Because honestly, in looking at most of these products that's marketed to us, most of it ain't owned by us no more. So keep that in mind. Okay, I'm off my soapbox. Let's go. All right, so I told y'all I came for toiletries and whatever else. I told you I think it was 2 things. Yes, for 2 things. Why I come in here and spend $103? Why I spend $103? Why did I spend $103? See, this is why my husband don't trust me in the store, because I just be doing the most. So I just pulled up to the house. My husband is on the parking lot waiting for me, so I don't have to bring everything in. But let me just tell you how this Negro has just devastated me. What is that? Look, you're not supposed to have baby soft skin. I don't want to see no. Sir, don't make me cuss on this camera. Turn sideways. Turn sideways. I don't even want to talk to y'all no more. Bye.